Welcome to this updated guide on how to make an audio call with someone using Discord Mobile. If you've been wanting to chat with your friends, teammates, or community members through voice, right from your phone, this video will walk you through every step quickly and clearly. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the internet. Once the app opens, you'll see all your servers, chats, and direct messages. Next, tap on the Messages icon. This will take you to your list of direct conversations with friends and contacts. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to call. Then, open your friend's chat by tapping on their name. You'll now be inside your private message window where you can see your previous conversations, media, and reactions. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a few icons. Look for the audio call icon. It looks like a small phone symbol. Once you tap that icon, Discord will immediately start connecting your call. After the call begins, you'll see a new screen with several useful options. You can switch to speaker mode to make the audio louder, mute yourself if you need to, or disconnect when you're done talking. The call quality will depend on your internet speed, so using Wi-Fi or a strong data connection gives the best result. What's great about Discord's mobile calling is that it's fast, lightweight, and works across both iPhone and Android. Plus, if your friend doesn't answer, you can always leave them a quick message or try again later. And that's